Hello guys, welcome back with Tommy in Trading Spartans, and right now I want to share with you what I've got during early of this week because I've been trading in the weekly trading style, which is could be longer and could be more efficient rather than daily trading, which very tiring and exhausted. And I will share to you about this week. So before I start, allow me to send my greetings to all of my Muslim friends which celebrating the Ramadan. It could be a Ramadan day or Ramadan week because all of you have been fasting for the whole month, 30 days. And I know because I live in Indonesia, so a lot of people also celebrating that. You deserve it. And right now, I still want to share with you what I've got. So all of you who are going to be busy with the family schedule, with the holiday and everything, you still can trade. You still can get your insight with this channel. So I will share to you what I've got through the picture or chart. Okay, this is the chart for this week opportunity I take from Euro Australian dollar. This is the 1 hour. So each bar represents 1 hour. So you can see that this is scratch. This is a raw chart. This is running from 20 March until right now. So it's approximately 2 weeks. And what I want to take is sell position because you can see that it might be uptrend, it could be downtrend, but you can see this is a double top and could be a triple top, and the chance of the price going down and have the good risk reward ratio is bigger than up. So this is what I already taking the setup, and this is for the first week. So you can see this euro Australian dollar position is valid for a week, 31 March until 4 April. So I want to give a brief introduction or explanation first because this is a downtrend. So the eligible position that we will make is sell, no buy at all. And there is a four colors that I will show to you as the introduction because each color represents the opportunity. So for green color, I wrote bargain because the price is cheap, is the best position or is the best zone or level for you to enter, and something I will explain to you later. And on the right side there is levels and words for it. So I will share to you right now. There are four colors, and each colors represent the opportunity. It could be bigger or better or smaller and worse rather than another level or zone. So in the green color, this is the zone where I represent a good or the best zone or better than others because it's a bargain price. If you wanna have a sell position, so the higher the position you take, it represents the better zone or better level. And the other one is a blue color. This zone is cheap enough for you to took the position and get the profit of longer or bigger. And this is a normal one. There is a normal position. You still get the profit, but the risk reward ratio might be not as enormous as the previous one. And this one with the red color or coral color, I wrote avoid. It means that even though you sell in that position this week, next week or last week could be another scenario. But if this week you sell in this zone, I better recommend you to avoid. So start from this one. There is a four color, but you need not to follow all of them. You need not to understand or enter on all of these levels. It depends on you. For example, I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. If you have a five, uh, you have a privilege to open five different positions, you can use this. But you, if only have a four different positions, you can open somewhere between this zone or levels. But you, if only make two or, for example, one, you can open between 1.73 something something until 1.74 something something. If you are afraid the price will running without you, you can open start from 1.73106. Or if you are a very eager or believe the price will touch nearly the this stop, so you can open 1.74 something something. And but for stop loss, do not stop loss exactly in the high level or around 1.74, because market usually doing the manipulation. I name it fate. So it's like a false breakout when the market touch or eaten alive your stop loss, and then the price suddenly goes the contrary direction and you will be disappointed. So if you are opening the position in this bargain, for example, 1.74 and the stop loss is 1.75, it's a very good risk reward ratio that you have. For example, this level we open sell, your loss only one part, because it's only one part of a loses, but your profit will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. I believe it's a very good number, or 1.1 to 6. It's even bigger. But I don't know if you have your own security or your own target, you can release 1 to 3, it's also okay. But if, for example, you open in this position 1.73, your loss will be 2 part, and your take profit will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 compared to 4, or 1 compared to 2, 1 to 2, it's still a good risk reward ratio to go. Or 1 to 2 compared to 5, it's 1 to 2.5. It's also a good trades to be fight for. So this is the description or a weekly trades that I can share to you. And what the most important thing is, what I share to you is a weekly trades. So rather than doing trades daily, so it's kind of tiring, it's full of exhaustion. You can try to look from the higher eye level, like a eagle eye level, which means that I recommend you to trade in a weekly basis. So why weekly basis? Number one, of course, you have a less screen time rather than daily basis. It means you are healthier, you can keep or maintain your sanity or psychology or whatever the people are saying like that. And then the second one, because you only doing the setup once, I mean early of the week, means you are focusing or quality on quantity over quality. Because when you see that the direction is down, for example, like this picture, of course the price will up and down and something, because of the pattern that have been created in the technical analysis, or might be a news release in the fundamental analysis side, the price will spike and it will eat or touch your stop loss. So by doing the weekly trading, it saves you a lot. It saves you unnecessary actions or movement by the market. And this is a good things to do, because if you want to become profitable, what do you need is not open more positions. What do you need is a better position, is a more quality positions. And what do you need is more profit positions which are outside of distraction, and of course the less bad trades, or the less minus or loss trades, plus the more profitable trades or profitable position, it guarantee you can at least survive and can profitable in the long run. Okay guys, thank you for your time.